Discover the HABOTEST HT821A rechargeable thermal imaging camera, available now on Aliexpress. This handheld device delivers high-definition thermal imaging for power inspection, underfloor heating, and pipeline monitoring, making it an essential tool for professionals. With a wide measurement range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, it automatically tracks and locates hot and cold points, ensuring precise detection without leaving hidden dangers. Compared to traditional infrared thermometers, this camera is faster, more efficient, and provides a complete view at a glance. The HABOTEST HT821A features multiple temperature measurement modes, including automatic tracking of points, lines, and frames, with environmental correction for accurate results. Its durable design is waterproof, dustproof, and anti-drop, so you can rely on it in harsh conditions. If you need a reliable thermal imaging solution for inspections and diagnostics, the HABOTEST HT821A from Aliexpress is the perfect choice. Order yours today and experience advanced thermal technology in the palm of your hand.